Yeah, this is about the video that I posted yesterday, and a lot of people where I was dancing, a lot of people are castigating me saying, "Ken, you came back with empty-handed. You came back with empty-handed. Is it not better that I come back with empty-handed than come back with my body? Hmm? Is it not better that I came back with empty-handed than coming back with my body? Do you know what I went through at the Adenga in Senegal? Should be a thing of joy that at least I came back alive than coming back with my body. And now the same statement now people are stating in that comment section. The same statement why a lot of people are buying up abroad, why a lot of people are buying suffering even to eat in abroad is even harder for them. That the same statement. I mean, what will the people say? Is the people give you money? If you buy and call, the people will still stock. One day, if you have stayed in Alabama, one day it's not favoring you, better choose this way. Come back home and start afresh. Your destiny might be here. This statement, how people are the people putting people into the press. People will be depressed. The prayer will be buying people in the name of, and you come back empty-handed. And so what? Or come on, is it when they carry me and come back in the body that we know that one can you look at how you are? Look at how do you want me to be? Can you are too tiny? And so what? Do you know what I went through? Do you know what I went through in Nga? Do you know that I spent 8 months and 20 days in Nga? Do you think Nga is sell? Yes. So how do you want me to look? You don't look like someone that comes from Malabeke. One day, I didn't come from Malabeke. I'm coming from Nga. It's a great thing of joy. Even if let me be like a rope. It's better than staying in that place, in that hellfire called Nga Senegal. That we almost 300 to 400 people in one small room. If the hotness hits not one there, the hotness inside that room. Hey Johnny, and you're telling me you're tiny. Yes, I need to recover. Yes, I need food. That's what I need now. We'll be eating too. That's why I came back home to recover. Because staying in that place too will be giving me the prayer. That's why I come back to home. Let me eat. One day, if I tell you what I went through, if you ask people that have been in that place, saying, "Can you just let you hide it?" How can I look at somebody that I was released on 22nd November. I haven't even been out to 1 month outside. I haven't even celebrated 1 month freedom outside. And I say you're tiny, you don't. One day, where I'm coming from is very far, and you come back with anything, and you people have to stop this statement because that's what has kept a lot of people outside the country. They have been there. Some people have been outside the country 23 years because they are not making them, and they are feeling what people are going to say if they return back to Nigeria, and they are still there, Western. Stop this statement. The downfall of a man is not the end of his life. Everything happens for a reason. That I went to the first person. That can get here too tiny. It doesn't look like you should be thanking God that I came back with my head. I came back alive. A lot of people went outside, they didn't come back, they buried them there. I have witnessed a lot of people. They buried them in that place, but I came back with Ishim Gode. I know that it's only my nose and my head now is the only thing remaining in my body. One at least also that be in that place.
No.
So all these translation, you don't come back.
Because
buy me motor now. You don't buy motor. You need motor. You are them lost. You have to stop all this. One love, my people.
Prospective husbands in mother. Potential husbands in the mother buyer. No, but you will not powerful. Now, Bagarin at the street of South Africa and so many places not powerful because not your batanudo can the mother Baba. Life begins again. As if I know when this message was it yesterday or 2 days ago. That was exactly the message in you a day or 2 days ago. You see, the downfall of a man is not the end of his life. You make it in America or you make it in South Africa. You may make it in Aba. You can make it in Lagos. You can make it in Anambra. Success is everywhere. There is light at the end of every tunnel. That tunnel not everywhere. If that tunnel can lead you from America to Abangweba for the light. You got to go. Yes, the end ally on any country. You can meet the end anywhere. The end also not justify the means. You can meet the end anywhere. Then you become successful. That opportunity may be anywhere waiting for you. So all because of a fact. But at the end of the day, those people you don't even know their conditions. They are expecting you keep motor way, but a motor they are expecting you ka ịgba plot n'ụlọ wee bata ụlọ one ka ha nwa lụrụ plot one ka ha nwa nwere ịghọtago o meghị na ọ na panic na ọ na tension na-ata afụfụ ebe ị nọ ha nwa nọrọ hia ịghọtago so take a decision agwago ngụ n'obodo ọwụ na ijelu na ọya 5 years at least o nwere ụdị comfortable ị nidere ịdụ iwu ahụ na ihe ebute ego gharị mana o nwere ụdị comfortable ị ya adụ n'obodo ahụ ma na obodo ahụ na-eme ọfụma mana ewepụ ya stop counting years come back home here and fix yourself somewhere else as far as ndụ concern can take a very perfect decision very brave enough courageous enough to take the decision most people are running away to take. It is a very difficult decision, but if you take that decision, you will thank me for taking that decision. You got to go mbugari kejelembe. Then na amu ke na amu mudebe no that guy amu. You people should stop laughing at that guy. You got to go. If that guy emelu we find na encourage a lot of women na no obodo when we find na alo ka ha meye. You got to go. So he should be a good example. Ayeju we na agwa. I'm sure no when one negu or no nwere onye relation onye ụmụnna ojewere obodo oyibo sinsi aha anụ mkpatụ ya ọ bịa nọ ndụ ya na ndị mmadụ bịa ka na-ekwu na fon ịbatakwa be ha atụkwa mkpọmkpọ ntụ osi wee dụ ezisi outside ị na-jebelu ebe ijebela outside for over 10 years nwepụghị ike abata bụ na asị na ife ahụ ife igbo natara weda na tv ahụ ngwu butere ọ na gbamgbam na-eme nkubu ntuwi nga enweghị kere ife nọ n'obodo oyibo eme nọgharịa so only na amu ke na amu stop it yeah onwe ndị eje obodo oyibo na ọ na Nnewi dai wụrụ cha ọgaranya na ọ na Lagos na ebe niile wụrụ cha ọgaranya money is everywhere you other go money is a universal language you can find it anywhere you other go so otoka asị na mụ ma wee nye this message 2 days ago or yesterday I did not see Ken before I gave that message. I gave that message because I know that it is the reality that is facing a lot of people. Ego condition most of your people not outside you are hoping on. No never hano. You can do anything here. Me one atafa here. Habiaba do productive. Balloon uluketa. You gotta go. Instead of very happy eba na ata afu ine hope but say one day no bodo iwo ye bunatara go moto mo one day na African go e mo hole na ka yemma na nyanwa ha nwuri eri nwuri 3 square meal. A lot of our people are buying in ignorance. You gotta go. Just one right thinking can change your decision, can change your situation around, and it needs a lot of strength and brave. Yeah, you need to be brave to be able to take such decision. Knowing that your life is your life and it's not for anybody alone. This message be a timely because after this kind of message. To say this message because na message I have a lot of people but I don't need you. Don't need you. But I call warrior. No, you not ozu. Owe kalonya huma. Etu ako hapo nono. Owuru na maka ile nu wepo. Ị na-atụzi egwu n'igochi bata n'inwere ike na ebe a gochi ya na onwe ndị na ebe a wee gbakọta ana iwu ahụ na obodo oyibo ka ihe change dollar wee gbara ana bataba here once there is life there is hope ịghọtana daalụnụ